First thing I noticed is you have a leak here. This bottom of this pressure tank is leaking, and it's causing water to go everywhere. When the water kicks on, the reason why it's busted is because the switch is so far away from the tank. It's more than 4 feet in piping wise. So when you hear the pump turn on, you can get it to do it. Nice. So when it turns on, see, this whole pipe shakes. The water system is in bypass. When you turn it, when you leave it in bypass, the water doesn't smell, right? It doesn't smell. When you turn it back on, the water smells horrible. And that's probably from the softener not working, not using salt, not taking care of it. This tank needs to be cleaned once a month. This type of system does typically make the water smell occasionally. This switch here is pretty burnt up there. So you can see, like, you might want to change the switch. Also get everything from stopping to grow around the switch. And then the water softener, again, it's in bypass. So the only thing you could try to do is clean the inside and get it to work and chemical clean it. Then turn it back on and see if the smell goes away. If not, then you have to repack or replace the stuff that's inside. The switch looks okay. It looks a little rusty right here. All in all, I mean, it's in decent shape. Just need to take that and make it a shorter distance from point A to point B to stop it from jumping like that, because that'll cause that tank. Right now you got a steady leak, and that needs to be fixed, as well as this tank probably needs to be turned around. So there to there is not more than 4 feet. Plus we have special little device. We put a new switch on and put a special little device in there that'll help prevent that from happening as well. Give me a call, 239-349-3113. By the way, we also do air conditioning. So if you need anything to do with air conditioning, we charge $140 a year for 2 visits for cleaning and sterilization. 239-349-3113.